Meaning of fiberglass.
Fibreglass.
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass. Fiberglass, also known as glass fiber, is a material made of very fine fibers of glass. The fibers are woven together and then coated with a resin to create a strong, lightweight and durable material that can be molded into various shapes. Fiberglass is commonly used in construction, automotive and aerospace industries, as well as in the production of boats, swimming pools, and sports equipment. It is known for its excellent strength-to-weight ratio, resistance to corrosion and high temperatures, and flexibility. Overall, fiberglass is a versatile and widely used material in many different applications.